Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and welcome to Beauty Busters, where we test out internet beauty and products to see if they're a poop, a whoop, or maybe baby, meaning they may work for some people and they may not work for other people. Today, I am the most nervous I've ever been for a Beauty Buster. So I recently came across eyebrow lamination. What is that? It is this. If you're a big fan of like that model bushy eyebrow, just gorgeous look, I love it. Big fan of soap brows. I think they look amazing, incredible. I think Giselle was the one that made it like a legendary thing. Eyebrow lamination is just that. It's pretty much giving you this gorgeous bushy eyebrow lift. A lift for your eyebrow. Think of it like a lash lift, an eyelash extension, but for your eyebrows. I've been seeing these videos go around everywhere, and the thing that kind of scares me about this, almost everybody's result is bad. Almost everybody's unhappy with their final result, and also all of the comments just say,
oh my god, this looks terrible.
Why am I going into this? First of all, I'm really curious. I always like to try out different beauty hacks out there on the market. I like the result, but every single video that I've watched has been not the best. Yeah, I mean, someone even got an allergic reaction.
Hopefully that's not me.
I've always been super into like that fluffy eyebrow look. I've never let anyone touch my brow. So going into this is a big step for me. My fear is everything I ever get done, I regret. I got my eyelashes done, regretted that. I got my titties done, I regretted that. Now one more girly excursion I'm getting myself into. So this is a process that some people do by themselves, but I know I needed a professional. So I literally have my appointment in 30 minutes, which is why I'm rushing this intro. I'm very nervous, I'm very excited. You're supposed to go with clean brows. We're just gonna learn all about the brow lamination process.
I'm kind of scared.
Hopefully I don't get an allergic reaction. That is my biggest fear. You will be seeing everything from the process to questions that I have, the final cost to is it worth it? What are my results? Will I wanna go back? Is this worth the hype? Is this Beauty Busters approved? Is this the next big thing? We shall see. In terms of side effects, you guys know how I am with everything, just because of what happened to me and my boobies. So I'll link an article down below in case you're interested about reading a little bit more of the side effects. There is a dermatologist that spoke about some keen side effects that may occur because of this. So that's a really interesting article in case you want to read it. Anything that you do, make sure you always do your research on. Girl, I learned my lesson with the final thing. I'm currently doing $50 Amazon gift cards. Yo, girl is Santa Claus this year, okay? This is for the month of December to celebrate you. I'm doing this on my Instagram and my Twitter, so if you're not already following me on there, you are missing out, baby. Also, Vlogmas is currently going on the vlog channel, doing lots of fun videos behind the scenes, and you get a little glimpse of my unfiltered life. Let's go. My appointment is in 10 minutes, so wish me luck. This is my friend Giselle.
Hey guys, this is Giselle, owner of Giselle Soto Brows. We're here at my salon on Melrose, 7813 Melrose, and Natalie came in for brow lamination. Pretty much everyone is a good candidate for microblading. You definitely do have to have hair in order to have something to lift, but all hair types are welcome. The only thing I would recommend avoiding before your lamination appointment is if you're using any form of acne medication, such as retinols, Retin-A, Accutane, anything very strong like that. I would definitely recommend avoiding those creams for about a month, just so that your skin doesn't react to the treatment. Also, if you have dry skin, eczema, you're probably not the best candidate just because of the skin condition. Other than that, everyone's pretty good to come through. No. Brow lamination is pretty much a perm for your brows without the harsh chemicals.
The process took a good hour and a half. So she starts by shaping the brows. It was very like therapeutic and ASMR almost like. I loved it.
It's a 3-step process. We start off by applying a lifting lotion, leave it on for 7 minutes.
She goes in with a style neutralizer. It's supposed to set the brows in place, create the overall aesthetic for your brows.
Then we apply a setting lotion, which we'll leave on for 5. And last but not least, the keratin oil treatment to help nourish and make the brow hairs nice and healthy. And that is for about 5 minutes. And then you have big brows.
Now the third step is she applies a nourishing keratin oil. So what this does is it pretty much just like replenishes the moisture after all that chemical treatment. Eyebrows are literally like an art form, and I was living for her process. It was so calming, it was so amazing. It was very relaxing. I'm gonna link a really great article down below explaining her whole process, which I thought was very interesting.
Brow lamination can last anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks, and the only aftercare is you cannot wet them for 48 hours. So no steam, sauna, water.
No showering.
Yeah, you gotta be a little cochina for 48 hours.
Yay. Sorry
about that. After the 48 hours, you can put oils, creams, makeup, you can shower, sleep on your face.
All right, you guys, are you ready for the reveal? Here they are. Oh my gosh. First of all, I love them. Like, I'm obsessed. I had kind of low expectations until I arrived at this place because the girl, she just knew what she was doing. Giselle, you are amazing. You made me feel so comfortable. The place was beautiful. I just loved everything. The energy was just amazing. I'm very, very happy. I think my first reaction was like,
wait, what?
oh my God, so good. What the heck? They look so full and you didn't do anything. You didn't fill them in or anything.
No.
Are these really my brows? If you take a look at them, they look so thick. Did you add hairs to them?
What happened?
I'm just shocked. Oh my God, that looks so good. Beautiful. I look like I have so many brow hairs. I feel like a supermodel. These results are actually 2 days after. I waited a full 48 hours before I could apply anything. I'm gonna be applying product on with you guys for the first time. Now my skin did react a little bit to the wax. I had never gotten my eyebrows waxed. So as you can see, there's a little bit of just like a tiny little scar pull. Totally okay. You're supposed to avoid any type of over-the-counter or retinol medicine due to sensitivity, especially if you're taking any kind of acne medicine. Make sure that you take those precautions. Then after 48 hours, what you're supposed to do is avoid any kind of face creams, oils, water. Your girl didn't take a shower for 2 days. Skip your workout. I was totally fine with that. Skip your hot showers. Totally good with that. This is the result 48 hours after. I think I'll leave it the way that you did it.
Now you're already ruining it.
Sorry,
We haven't even left the store.
In terms of pricing, $165. I'm gonna put right up here the typical pricing for this particular salon. Right up here is how much brow laminations are going for right now. So this is the only downfall that I would say to all this. When I first got out of there, my eyebrows were super up high. Look at how beautifully shaped. There's a freaky man right here. Can I help you? Jesus Christ. Look at how beautiful she shaped them. For me personally, I kind of like them a little bit lower, just right here, but that's the beauty of this. You can shape them however you want. Obsessed with the shape. What the heck? She did say this one was a little bit lighter than the other one, so I have to let this grow out just a teeny bit.
Girl, let's go eat.
Okay, let's go eat. They definitely went down a lot, which I'm very happy with. Only bad thing about this I could possibly see. In the morning, I wake up like all over the place. First of all, this is how my eyebrows were before. They were kind of like that. So we went from this to that. I'm very pleased. With the little spoolie, having your eyebrows firmed, or whatever this is called, you can maneuver the shape however you want. If I want this to go a little bit more lower, you see what I just did there? If I want this to go up higher, you see what I just did there? You can shape them however you like, which is why I would say the only thing with this is make sure that you're using something that will hold your brows throughout the day, or else your brows are gonna do their thing. If you know what I'm saying, like, that's kind of crazy. Oh, whoop, would I do it again? I would. I love the way my eyebrows look. Now we're about to film in, okay? Oh, I'm excited. I waited 2 days for this. Nice and personal. Something else that I want to test out is the wet test. I definitely want to see if these brows are going to fall right after I shower with them. I was trying to wash my hair today, and on my vlog channel, I was filming a very real day in my life. I was using this like contraption thing to not get them wet, but I feel like that will be the final test today, is to make sure these don't fall after they're wet. So they do give you a little spoolie so you can shape them however you like. I feel pretty good with just a naked brow because they're just so pretty. I was kind of hoping that they would turn out bad just for a good thumbnail or something. So I'm just gonna, wow, this is so easy. I'm kind of scared to ruin it though. I've never had this much to work with. So you see how the hair is kind of falling to the side that I'm brushing it on? That is the only issue. I'm gonna have to fill these in and then brush the hair. It does feel weird though, just because the hairs do go like their own way. It definitely takes a little bit of getting used to. With my natural brows, my brows just stay put, but these go anywhere you tell them to go. It just looks good. Why didn't I do this sooner?
My God, dude!
Not even a makeup artist could do this type of brow on me. They look so good. What? I'm about to put my full on face. If you want to see what I use on my face, you can check out my vlog channel, girl. All right, you guys, this is the final result. I'm obsessed. But I am really curious, once I remove all of this, how long is it really gonna last? Moment of truth to see if these eyebrows will fall off. If they fall, homegirl's gonna be mad. I'm filming something. For what? You wanna join me? Come here.
Hi, people.
So Dennis has joined me while he waits for his update. I'm about to remove my eyebrows. What have you thought about them so far?
I think they look pretty nice.
Pretty, but nice.
Definitely something you have to get used to.
Why?
Also, wait. So first of all, in the first 2 days, I could not like hug you because you'd be like, my brows, like all the time. My brows. What's going on?
Oh, what I put on. So they are staying on as they are. Man, if I had brows like this.
Take over the world.
What do you do now?
So check that out. So I just removed my eyebrow makeup. They're still put. They still look fabulous. Would I do this again?
Yeah, in a heartbeat.
It's pretty quick though, the process. You did say you need to go once a month.
Once a month to get them like clean.
No, that's what I meant. Once a month to get it clean.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment letting me know what other beauty busters you want me to do. I've kind of been thinking of doing like a chemical peel for like my acne scars. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell on. You can always find me on Instagram or on Twitter. I'm currently doing a huge giveaway, $50 Amazon gift card over on my Instagram and my Twitter. These $50 Amazon codes drop randomly. You have to have post notifications turned on all of my socials. That's how you could win. If you're curious to see how long these end up lasting, I will be giving updates on my Instagram. So if you want more behind the scenes and unfiltered in Natalie's outlet, check me out on our vlog channel, Natalie and Dennis Show, currently doing 25 days of Vlogmas plus 25 days of giveaways. I love you guys so much. Leave me a comment letting me know what you thought with a poop, a whoop, or a maybe baby, and I will see you guys in the next Beauty Busters. Bye!